Hey, it's Jeff. We've been working in the garage and we have the engine totally disassembled. It's right behind me. Oh, you'd like to see it? Here it is in all its glory. A 5.3 LS mystery motor. No idea how many miles are on it. So it looks good to me, but I'm not the expert, so maybe some of you can chime in and shoot me an email. Let me know what you think. The other side pretty much looks the same way. And the crank looks really good. All of the rod and main journals are smooth. So far it looks like I'm going to do bearings, new main bearings, rod bearings, and probably hone the cylinder walls. They're all really smooth. There's no gouges, no grooves. The only question is these wear spots here. I don't know. But other than that, everything looks really good. And if it didn't need cam bearings before, it does now, because I'm pretty sure I whacked every one of them getting the cam out of there. So I was going to do cam bearings anyway. So the next step is to have it dipped, get it cleaned up, and I may try to do cam bearings myself. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. So that's it. I've got the pistons. I've already kind of boxed them. So this is the flywheel and clutch I'm using. It's an LS1 flywheel and clutch kit. This is made by Luke, L-U-K. This is an older package we found at work. You can see it's dated 2005. It's all brand new. So the pistons, all the pistons, the rod bearings and the pistons look good. So we'll do new bearings and the pistons. I'm gonna clean these up, new rings. That's pretty much it. I got some head work to do. Probably do new springs. Looking at trunnion upgrades for the rocker arms. Do new cups, lifter cups, probably new push rods. So anyway, having fun so far. All right, that's it. You guys have a good night, and we will see you later.